Look, I'm crying. That's how much it hurts. Just keep squeezing. Move your thumb over to a little bit. Over here. To the left. To the left.
Okay.
Everything you own is back to the left. Right where my finger is, Ian. Fuck. Ow! 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 Damn!
I didn't even push it hard. I'm like that.
Ow! No, it really hurts. You dug in. Look, he dug. He put a hole in me. I'm just gonna stop. I have fibromyalgia. Do you know what that is?
No. That you get raped by little people?
Look, I'm crying. That's how much my arm hurts. Ian, I need you to pressure on me. It's hurting bad. And I'm weak on my left side. Come on, please, squeeze me.
You are weak. I'm on YouTube, asshole!
I need help.
Yes, you do.
Don't we all?
Yo,
Ian, seriously, please.
put your hand down. Ready? Look at this.
Hit the button. Why isn't it working? Is it recording?
Ow! Somebody hold it up! Hey, I'm ready to punch you! You got the vein, Ian. Easy. I need it to go away. Wait, I think you just got it. Please don't come back. Hey!
Oh, whoa.
Alright, you know what? That just crosses the fucking twatter slot. Get it back. Come here. Look, my veins popping out of my bone. It's
Ew.
bad and it hurts.
Did you say
You see it?
Damn.
You see it?
Yeah.
Ian, please, you want me to be deformed?
Where?
Same spot, but not as hard.
Here?
Yeah. Well, go up. Just follow the vein up the arm.
Tingling.
Go back down. No, you're helping it. A little harder.
That's what she said.
Do I have to keep recording this?
Yes. Same.
You got me on recording ass. You think I'm gonna scream?
You already did.
Why are you screaming? What are you getting orgasm? Miss Orgasm is my teacher.
Neurogasm.
Squeeze! Ow! Down.
She has an orgasm.
Whoa.
Yeah, fuck you, shooter stool. Hey!
That's what she said.
Shut that fuck. I'm gonna look at you. I'll be foaming out the mouth. You fuck you. Fuck. Erase that.
That's how hard she wants it.
No! Stop! Oh, I can't take it. Dig. Stick your finger in it. Yeah, boy.
Do you like that?
Yeah, you must. Oh my god. Yo, I gotta see that. I want to see what I look like when I